In today's tutorial, I will show you how to access WhatsApp on your computer or your laptop. So the first thing is to search for WhatsApp in your preferred browser. In this case, I'll be using Google Chrome. So double click, type in the search bar WhatsApp web. Double click on the first link and WhatsApp web will open for you. So as you can see, WhatsApp has provided 3 steps in order for you to access WhatsApp on your computer screen. Down below, there is a video which demonstrates how to access the WhatsApp web. So have your phone ready and go onto your WhatsApp page. Go to your settings and press WhatsApp web, which opens up a camera on your mobile phone. Hold your phone to the screen and scan the QR code, which, as you can see, opens up your WhatsApp. WhatsApp has been accessed and ready to be used, and it has the same functions and interfaces as the phone. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.